issues a flash flood warning for southern Transylvania County in western North Carolina, northwestern Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, northeastern Oconee County in upstate South Carolina, northwestern Pickens County in upstate South Carolina until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:07 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen over the past 3 hours. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area through 1 p.m. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Brevard, Rosman, Jocassee Gorges State Park, Lake Tuxaway, Lake Jocassee, Caesars Head State Park, Keowee Tuxaway State Park, DuPont State Forest, Jones Gap State Park, Lake Keowee, Sassafras Mountain, Rocky Bottom, Conisty, Cedar Mountain, 9 Times, and Little River in Transylvania County. Additional flooding is likely along the Little River and associated tributaries in Transylvania County, as well as Rocky Bottom Creek in Pickens County. When it is safe to do so, please report flooding or landslides threatening roads or property to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101, by posting on our Facebook page, or via Twitter using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the specific location where impacts occurred and the depth of flooding observed.